Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Shape Umpc1 is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about devices in the portable computing space, promising to bridge the gap between ultra-portable laptops and powerful tablets, and today we're diving deep to see if it lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for your mobile productivity needs. Number 5. EMART 10 by 7 feet Adjustable Photo Studio Backdrop Stand. Our backdrop stand features a retractable crossbar, allowing you to easily adjust the width from 5.3 to 10 feet. This flexibility ensures it can accommodate various backdrop sizes for your creative needs. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy, this stand offers adjustable height from 2.6 to 7 feet. Its tripod base provides excellent stability, preventing shakes even at its maximum extension. Included clamps and sandbags help secure your backdrop and add weight for increased stability. These accessories ensure a better shooting effect and prevent movement, especially when using heavier materials. This kit is designed for convenience. It's lightweight and compact, easily fitting into the included carry bag for effortless storage and transport. You can keep it neatly tucked away when not in use. Perfect for a wide range of applications, from newborn photography and product displays to weddings and parties. It's your go-to solution for creating professional-looking setups for any event or shoot. Please note that the crossbar may slightly bend under heavy loads due to gravity. We recommend not exceeding 10 pounds and using the sandbags for added stability, especially in windy conditions. What we like. This backdrop stand offers incredible flexibility with its retractable crossbar and sturdy tripod base. If you need a stable and adjustable setup for various photography needs, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who frequently change background sizes or need a reliable stand for events and studio work. What people say. The Shape Umpc1 has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, and it doesn't take up too much room. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, with responsive keys and good key travel. Number 4. Akai Professional MPK Mini 3 Malawian Kwachas. Meet the Akai Professional MPK Mini 3 Malawian Kwachas, the essential tool for any music producer. It's USB-powered and features 25 velocity-sensitive keys, perfect for studio production and beat making. Take complete command of your music with its innovative 4-way thumbstick for pitch and modulation. Plus, the built-in arpeggiator offers adjustable settings for creative control. Experience effortless integration with native instruments thanks to NKS support. You can now control presets and sound libraries directly from your controller. Unlock a world of sound with your choice of 3 curated complete 15 select bundles. Explore presets and sound libraries for beats, band, or electronic music. Get the authentic MPC experience with 8 backlit, velocity-sensitive pads. Program drums, trigger samples, and control your virtual instruments with note repeat and full-level features. Take full command of your virtual instruments and effects. The 8 assignable 360-degree knobs allow you to tweak synth controls and mix your plugins with ease. This complete starter kit includes MPC beats, 3 virtual instruments, and over 2 GB of sound content. You'll have everything you need for professional music production right out of the box. What we like. Experience total control over your music production with its velocity-sensitive keys and innovative thumbstick. If you're a music producer or beat maker looking for a compact yet powerful MIDI controller, this is for you. Its NKS integration also makes it ideal for those who want seamless control over native instrument software. What people say. The Shape Umpc1 has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, and it's surprisingly powerful for its size. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the trackpad is responsive and accurate. Number 3. PureGuardian Aquastick GGHS 15 Humidifier Treatment. Tired of mold and odors in your humidifier? This simple stick helps reduce the growth of mold and odor-causing bacteria in your humidifier's water tank. It works in both ultrasonic and evaporative humidifiers. For humidifiers with tanks up to 1 gallon, just one stick is all you need. If your humidifier has a larger tank, between 1 and 2 gallons, simply use 2 sticks for optimal performance. For the best experience, we recommend cleaning your humidifier tank before use and always using fresh, clean water. Replace the stick every 90 days to ensure continued effectiveness. Using it is as easy as dropping it into your humidifier's water. Keep your humidifier's mist clean and functioning perfectly with this ultimate filtration and purification solution. PureGuardian is dedicated to creating powerful, safe, and innovative technologies for happier and healthier homes. We focus on solutions that help facilitate a better home environment for you and your family. What we like. Keep your humidifier clean and fresh with this simple, effective treatment. If you're looking for an easy way to reduce mold growth and odors in your humidifier tank, this is the solution. It fits all brands and requires minimal effort, making it ideal for anyone who wants cleaner air with less hassle. What people say. The Shape Umpc1 has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, and it doesn't take up too much room. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, with responsive keys and good key travel. Number 2. Akai Professional MPD-218. Introducing the Akai Professional MPD-218, a USB MIDI controller designed for seamless beat production. It's ultra-portable, feature-packed, and powered by USB, making it perfect for creating on the go. Experience the iconic MPC feel with 16 thick, fat MPC pads. Trigger drums, melodic samples, and effects with unparalleled responsiveness and expressiveness. Unlock even more creative potential with 3 dedicated pad banks, giving you access to a total of 48 assignable pads. Easily switch between banks to access a wider range of sounds and functions. Take command of your production with 18 fully assignable 360-degree potentiometers. Control DAW parameters, virtual effects, and instruments with precision and ease. Immerse yourself in expressive performances with classic MPC note repeat and full-level controls. These features allow for intricate rhythmic patterns and consistent velocity. Get started right away with a comprehensive software suite, including Ableton Live Lite and Drum Synth 500 by Air Music Tech. It's everything you need to begin your production journey. Dive into the world of MPC production with the included MPC Beat software. It provides the finest features and essential tools from the renowned Akai Professional MPC series. What we like. This pad controller brings the MPC production experience to a portable format with 16 touch-sensitive pads. If you're a beatmaker or producer who values portability and hands-on control, this is an excellent option. Its assignable knobs and included software make it a versatile tool for any music setup. What people say. The Shape Umpc1 has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, and it doesn't take up too much room. The Umpc1 offers a variety of useful features, including a built-in webcam and microphone, making it ideal for video conferencing. Number 1. Osmo Coding Starter Kit for iPad. Introducing the Osmo Coding Starter Kit, an innovative way for children aged 5 and up to learn the fundamentals of coding through interactive play. It's designed to make learning fun and engaging. Experience the magic of Osmo where physical game pieces come to life on your iPad. This kit requires no Wi-Fi for gameplay, making it perfect for on-the-go learning and fun. Join Obi on an exciting adventure using tangible coding blocks to control his actions. This game is a fantastic introduction to the world of programming and logic. Explore the creative side of coding by composing music and learning about rhythm, melody, and harmony. You can create your own beats and share them with the world. Challenge yourself or team up with others to solve over 60 advanced coding puzzles. Develop teamwork and strategic thinking skills as you unlock new levels and worlds. This kit fosters essential skills like logic, critical thinking, problem solving, and pattern recognition. It's a comprehensive tool for developing a strong foundation in STEM. Inside, you'll find the Osmo Base and Reflector for iPad, 31 coding blocks, and access to 3 engaging apps, Coding Obi, Coding Jam, and Coding Duo. An iPad is required but not included. What we like. This kit transforms learning to code into a magical, hands-on experience for kids. If you have children aged 5 to 10 who are curious about technology and problem solving, this is a fantastic educational toy. It uses physical blocks to interact with iPad games, making coding concepts fun and engaging. What people say. The Shape Umpc1 has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, and it doesn't take up too much room. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, with responsive keys and good key travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.